Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can separate pages inside your documents on Affinity Designer. So let us get started. In the first step, navigate to your document on Affinity, navigate to the Layout Studio here at the top, and then expand the pages list here. Now obviously for this method you will need to have at least 2 pages inside your document, right? So for the sake of this tutorial I have added 4 pages to this document. Now what you want to do, guys, is right click into any of these pages and then choose Edit Section. So let's assume I would like to divide or separate page 1 and 2 from 3 and 4. So put those 2 pages into one section and the other 2 pages into section 2. This is how you can do it. Click into section 1 and then, click into section 2 and start with the next or the first page of the second section, which in this case here would be page 3. Right? You may also remove section number 3, we don't need it now. And now, guys, if you, for example, select page number 3 as the start page of section 2, this is going to, as you can see, combine both pages 1 and 2 into section 1 and page 3 and 4 into section 2. So it depends on the start page here, right? So if you want to start a new section, create it here, set the start page to separate that section from the previous one. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.